Did you know that the friendliest trucker at every truck stop was stealing your identity while you slept? For 3 years, Big Mike rolled through the night, his sleeper cab hiding a mobile forgery empire. While drivers shared stories over coffee, he memorized social security numbers and birthdays. His industrial printer hummed quietly behind the curtain, churning out fake commercial licenses and credit cards. The betrayal cut deep when investigators traced 400 stolen identities back to his exact route pattern. The man truckers called their most trusted road brother had been hunting them all along, one conversation at a time.